Good morning. Welcome to my healing space. I will show you a little bit. It's my house, and it's also a healing space, and just in a few minutes 7 men are going to come here and share with me a few hours of healing and connecting to ourselves in these special days of war, another war, to ask questions about healing and about the way that we create pain and we hurt one another when we don't have enough space in ourselves to meet our own pain. And when I don't have enough space, enough courage, enough willingness to meet my own pain, usually I will create pain to other people in order for that pain to come back to me and again give me a chance to heal. So thank you for the men that are about to come, and thank you for watching that and supporting my work. Ciao, have a great day.